Hello and welcome to part 3 of making this beautiful three-colored keychain. But this is also a simple way and introduction to beading. So I really believe that you've been able to get to here, and going to continue. So on the previous episode we had gotten to this corner here, and we are going to continue. So using, this is my right hand, this is my left hand. I'm going to use my right hand to pick 3 black beads. 1, 2, 3, and on that third black bead I'm going to crisscross like that and pull. You should have something like this once you pull, and then we pass the fishing line through the next black bead there. Like that. And then you pull, and then you get to pick a black bead on the right, black bead on the left, and then we crisscross on the black bead from the left, like that. And then you pass the fishing line through the black bead there. And then you pick a black bead on the right, black bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the black bead from the left, like that. And then you pull, and then you should have something like this. And then you pass the fishing line through the black bead there, like that. And then you pick a black bead on the right, pick another black bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the black bead from the left, and then you pull. Should have something that looks like this. And then you continue. You pass the fishing line through the black bead there. Then you pick a black bead on the right and a black bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the black bead from the left, like that. Then you pull, and then you pass the fishing line through the black bead there. You should have something like this. So basically what we've been doing is coming this way, going, we came like this, then we went back like that, then we came like this, then we went back like that. So I hope you've seen how that pattern is going. And I believe that if you use the seed beads, you're going to get very nice results. So we pick black bead on the right, black bead on the left, and then we crisscross on the black bead from the left, like that. And then we pass the fishing line through the black bead there, and then you pick a black bead on the right, and the black bead, pick a black bead on the right and a black bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the black bead from the left, like that. And then you pull, and then you pass the fishing line through the next black bead, and then you pick a black bead from the right, black bead from the left, and then you crisscross on the black bead from the left again, like that. And then you pass the fishing line through the black bead there. Then you pick a black bead on the right, black bead on the left, then you crisscross on the black bead on the left like that. Then you pass the fishing line through the black bead there, and as you can see, our fishing line is once again almost over, so I'm going to wind it up and add another fishing line. So remember to cut your fishing lines, not very long fishing lines, so that you can be able to be comfortable. So using my right side, I'm going to pick 2 black beads like that, and then I pass the fishing line through the black bead here, and then have something that looks like this. So then I can pass the fishing line through the white bead there, and another fishing line through this white bead here, and then through this white bead there, and then we can close it down just the same way we did the other one. I just want you to see everything. Then I make another knot and pull it firmly. Then I pass the fishing line through the white bead there, pass the fishing line again through this side of the white bead there, like that. And also so that my work is tidy, I pass it through other random bead holes so that we can easily hide it from it being a distraction and also being something that can be seen. So once it's like that, I have it like this. So if you notice this, my pattern looks kind of curved, and this is because this white beads, the size is slightly smaller than the red beads, so it's not supposed to look like this. It's supposed to be totally flat, but it has some sort of curve to it, but that's not a big problem. But I'm quite sure that if you use regular sized beads, your artwork is going to come out very flat. Okay, so I'm going to add another fishing line. So I'm putting the fishing line through this black bead here. That's where we were previously, and then I make sure the fishing line is balanced there, and then I pull like that, and then now this is the final row that we're going to be doing this way. So I pick a black bead on the right and 2 black beads on the left, like that. 1, 2. So those are 2 black beads on the left, 1 black bead on the right, and then I crisscross on the black bead from the right, like that, and then I pull. Should have something that looks like this, and then pass the fishing line through the black bead there. And then I pick a black bead on the right, a black bead on the left, and then crisscross on the black bead from the right. Should have something that looks like this, and then I continue. We pass the fishing line through the black bead there, like that. Pick a black bead on the right, on the left, a black bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the black bead from the right, like that. Then you pull. Should have something that looks like this. Then you pass the fishing line through the black bead there, like that, and then you pick a black bead on the right and a black bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the black bead from the right, like that, and then you pull. and then you pass the fishing line through the black bead there, and then you pick black bead on the right, the black bead on the left, then you crisscross on the black bead from the right like that, and then you pull, and then you pass the fishing line through the black bead there, and then I pick black bead on the right, black bead on the left, and I crisscross on the black bead from the right. You should have something that looks like this, and then you pull, pass the fishing line through the next black bead there, and then you pick a black bead on the left, black bead on the right, then you crisscross on the black bead from the right, and you pull, and then you pass the fishing line through the black bead there, and then you pick a black bead on the right, black bead on the left like that, and then you crisscross on the black bead from the right, and then you pull. You should have something that looks like this. So just make sure that your artwork looks like this, and I believe that if you get to this point by doing this by yourself, you're going to be well conversant with beading now. And we're going to continue and pass the fishing line through the black bead here, and pick a black bead on the right and left one, just as how we've been doing, and then you pass the fishing line through the bead on the right, and then you crisscross. Remember, beading, as you've seen, requires a lot of patience. You just need to be very patient and keen. Then you pass the fishing line through the next white black bead there, then you pull, and then you pick a black bead on the right and the black bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the black bead from the left like that, and then you pull. So guys, this is what you should have by the end of your lesson or your trial. So you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 heads on our row, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 heads on our column. So we're going to make another replica like this. So remember, we're making a key holder, so we're making another replica like this, and then I'll show you how we sandwich them, or we put them together and have that 3D effect for the key holder. So your assignment is to make another replica like this, and then we can come and put them together on the next lesson. Okay, so see you on the next lesson, and thank you for being attentive. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can reach out to me and I'll get back to you. Thank you.